Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. And today's video is a YouTube collab, so if you want to see what I do today, hear all the information, stay tuned. So this is for my collab, which is called hashtag unicornglamsquad. Each week we do a different theme. And this week's theme is Valentine's related because we're doing Valentine's look all month long. And it's called Lace or Leather. And that was picked by Missouri Mama. I'll link her channel down below. But she picked that theme and we got picked. Everybody picked that theme, so we got that chosen. This is what look I created. And I know it's not perfect. Couldn't get the little tattoo to go up some on this side. These are like little tattoo stencils. And my eyes are two different shapes, so it does look a little bit droopy over here. But I tried to move this one as best I could with water, but it didn't want to move, so I just left it there, left it alone. But this is what I created for the lace look. So we could have picked lace or leather or do them together. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. And we had a fun time picking this theme, so I can't wait to see everybody else's look. So if you want to see what makeup I use, stay tuned for the next clip. And I will make sure to link everybody's to their channel or their link to their video so you go check them out and show some love and tell them I sent you for doing them. And if I haven't got everybody's link yet, just click the title, click that hashtag in the title, and you should get the recent videos. It's hashtag unicornglamsquad. And yeah, now let's get on what makeup I used. So now I'll start with the tattoo first. There are eye rock eye tattoos. Here's the package. I get the package so I can show you. It was like in a little sheet right here. I just took them out. I got these from Natalie Suzanne here on YouTube. I will link her channel down below. I don't know if she's joining this collab or not, but she's the one that gifted me those, and this is how they look. So they're like a tattoo. You just put water over it. I tried to make it as even as possible, but again, I do have two different shaped eyes, so it's kind of hard to get them even. Also, you're supposed to use water after you put them on to move them around before they set. I tried to move this one up, but it wouldn't move, so I just left it there. This is what it looks like, and some of it's up here at the top is moving down some because of my eyebrow. So that's what that is. You can't use anything on your eyes when you use these, so it's kind of hard to do like a base or anything if you want to do a base like that. So, like, you know, to cover your brows and stuff, but it was cool the way it is. So that's what I used first. The next thing is on my lid. They say you could use eyeshadows, but they had to be powder and you had to be lightly with it. So I used the LA Colors Halo Queen's eyeshadow palette because of the black in here. So what I did first is I just lightly tapped it on the eyes, and I wanted this to be like soft black. I didn't want it to be like dark to, you know, just wanted to be a little bit soft. Then I took this red shimmer shade, put it in the inner corner of my eye, under my eye, and in the inner part of my eye, blended it out, and then helped it get a little bit more blinding as I put a little bit of this light pink over top of it. And that's what it looks like on the eyes. I really love the shimmers, and I thought this would be perfect for Valentine's Day. That's why I wanted to use this palette. And I haven't used it in a while, so I wanted to use it. For mascara, you're not going to be able to see it that well, but that's what it looks like on the eyes. I used the CoverGirl Cleantopia, Lash Blast Cleantopia mascara in Blue Black. I just thought it would be fun to use. You can't really see it blue, but I just wanted to use it because I haven't used it for a while. I try to pick every items I haven't used. Then the last thing I used, makeup wise, that I want to talk about is the little ice cream lipstick that I got. It's by US Like. I think I got this from Temu. It's an 04. Here's what it looks like. So what I did is I wanted to do like those Korean style lips because I thought it'd be cute. So I did a little bit in my inner part of my lip, blended it out with my lips pressed together, put a little bit up here on top of my cupid bone and a little bit down below. And that's what it looks like. This is such a pretty shade. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. Also, it does smell like cake, so I really like it. Really like that shade. That's what I did on the lips. Then to set my face, I used the e.l.f. setting spray, the Power Grip Dewy setting spray. I am going to use the other setting spray off camera that I like to use, which is the Urban K one, just to make sure it lasts all day. And that's all the makeup I use I want to talk about. Now let's get on with what I'm wearing today. So we're starting from the top. I use these black and red clips to go with the theme of the look, just to pin back my bangs so you can see the eye look. Then I wear this choker that is lace, as well as this necklace that I got from Carol Gardner. I'll link her channel down below, and I'm also wearing my new shirt that I got. Thought it'd be perfect for this look. It's cool looking, creative, a little spooky looking. I don't know. I just decided to wear this shirt. And then under I wear this long sleeve gray shirt because it's a little chilly. But I wanted to wear just the shirt on its own. I didn't want to wear like a jacket over it. So that's what I'm wearing today. I will link the company that I got this shirt from. It's called Twin Paranormal Merch Shop. I think that's what it's called. So please go check them out if you like spooky things. I really recommend you check out their channel as well if you love ghost hunting videos. I really love watching their videos. They're so entertaining. I love watching them. But just want to shout them out here. I know they might not be able to, they might not see this video, but just shout them out. So that's all what I wear today. And I can't leak anything else. I don't know where like these clips came from or the necklaces and stuff like that. But I just like to show you what I'm wearing. So I hope y'all do enjoy it. And yeah. So if you got this far in the video, enjoyed it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Let's say if you would wear on Valentine's Day for your date, if you are like that, would you wear lace or leather? Let me know. I would rather wear lace because I feel like leather is like a little bit more claustrophobic in a way. But let me know what you would wear if you're that type of person. You don't have to answer it. If you say you watched it full, you'll be shouted in the next video also. That's just a question for this week. I always like to do this. If you want to see who was shouted out last week, or not last week, last video uploaded on my channel, check out the channel checkout section and show this love. There will be YouTubers as well as subscribers. If they're a YouTuber, go check out their channel and tell them I sent you. And if they're a subscriber, go find their comment in the comment section, tell them that you're grateful for their support for the unicorn family, so they know. This is just a way for me to say thank you to all the unicorns that show my videos love and support all the way through. It really means the world to me. And I love shouting you out so y'all unicorns can meet new people. So if y'all do enjoy this shout out section, if you want to be shout out, please answer that question or just say you watched it full and you'll be shouted out in the next video uploaded on my channel. So I forgot to mention, I will link the playlist for YouTube collabs just in case you want to watch past these collabs or any other collabs on my channel. You can check out that playlist. Please watch the playlist if you want to help with watch time hours. It really means the world to me if you do watch that playlist and show it some love because I really need help with watch time hours, and you can do that by watching that playlist. I want to thank you anybody that does. If you want to watch past videos from everybody, just click the hashtag that's in my title. It's called hashtag unicornglamsquad. This is an open collab, but you have to have an Instagram group so I can add Instagram page so I can add you to the group. We do this, we post every Wednesday, and we do different themes each month. This month is Valentine's month. I don't know what we're doing next month. We might do St. Patrick's Day, I don't know. So if you do want to join in, please just DM me over there on Instagram. I'll add you to the group. And all you have to do is send me your link to your video that you do post and your photo when it's Wednesday. So everybody has that. And at the beginning of each month, I do send the list out. But before the beginning of each month, I do say you want to vote. Like send some ideas. We will do a voting poll, and we usually vote for our top 4. That's what we've been doing, so we love doing it. So hopefully we see some new unicorns join in or any other people join in. But we have a fun time doing this collab. So I think that's all the information. Also, I will link my merch shop down below just in case you want to check out my merch designs and show us some love. All the money I make on that shop will go back to my channel. So please show that some love. And lastly, I forgot to mention before I end this video, all the makeup used on my face is linked down below. They're just links to get there, no feelings or anything. If I do have a feeling, it'll be down below at the bottom with the code beside it so you know. If you use that link code, you get a small percentage off your order. I get a small commission and it helps out a lot. But you don't have to use them. The regular products linked down there for y'all. Lastly, I will link my Amazon storefront just in case I see something that you can get from Amazon. I'll link it over there as well. I love linking my Amazon storefront just in case y'all do want to see any other things that come from Amazon. So please do shop on the Amazon storefront. That is an affiliate link, and I do get a small commission, so you know. I always let y'all know that it is an affiliate link. If you don't want to check it out, you don't have to, but it's there for y'all just in case y'all do. And if you ever shop on any of my links or any of my codes, or you do shop on my merch shop, please let me know. I want to thank you personally if you do. So please share in the comments if you do that. And I think that's it for today. I think I said everything. If I missed anything, just check out the description. And yeah. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought about lace-inspired makeup look that I created with the eye tattoos. I like doing different things with the makeup. Even though it doesn't really look okay. I don't think it looks okay, but you know, some people might be creeped out about this, but I love doing new things with different makeup techniques. And when I saw I had these, I really wanted to use them because I haven't used them yet. So I want to thank Nat for sending me that my way. But let me know your thoughts on what you think of this look. If you like it, if you don't like it, what you think of it. If you do recreate my looks, please tag me. I'll let the show check it out and show us love. Maybe shout you out like a community tab is on YouTube or my Instagram story is on Instagram. So please tag me if you do recreate any of my looks. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our unicorn family. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.